Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric identities. Here we are dealing with three important identities. You can see on the screen the first identity is cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. The condition for the measure of the angle is it should be less greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 90 degree. Then second identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Here the measure of the angle should lie between 0 degree and 90 degree. That is, the condition is 0 degree less than or equal to A less than 90 degree. The third identity is cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. 0 degree less than A less than or equal to 90 degree. Hope you have noticed the change in equal to sign in the second and third equation. So, once again, there are three trigonometric identities which we deal with. The first identity is cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. Third one, cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Students, these identities you have to learn it by heart. So, going to exercise 8.4, first question. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So, what is the question? You want to express sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Now, we are doing it with the help of the above identities. You can see that cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Taking that identity into consideration, we can say that cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Now, you will ask me, ma'am, why did you take that? Students, that is the specialty of trigonometric ratios. We will decide which identity you are going to use using your common sense. It will be thorough after doing a couple of problems. So here we are using cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Now you are going to take square roots on both the sides. What will happen if you take square root on both the sides? Cot's root of cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec A. Now we will write sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Now you can see that 1 by sin A is equal to root of cot square A plus 1. Now how will you take sin to the other side? Cross multiply. So at last you will get sin A is equal to 1 by square root of cot square A plus 1. So you got sin A in terms of cot A. What is the identity? Sin A is equal to 1 by root of cot square A plus 1. These things, students, you don't want to learn it by heart, but learn how to prove it. Considering the identity relating tan A and sec A. Why are you taking tan A and sec A? You want to relate cot and sec. So, the easiest method is to find the relation between tan and sec. as you already know. Which is the identity relating tan A and sec A? Yes, the second one. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Now what should I do? Similar as the steps followed in the first question, we'll do square root on both sides. So what will you get? Root of 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec A. Now, tell me what is tan square A in terms of cot A? Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Substituting the same value here, root of 1 plus 1 by cot square A is equal to sec A. Taking LCM, we'll get root of cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Now what happened? Sec A is equal to root of cot square A plus 1 by cot A. Students, notice that the denominator is not having square root. So what is sec A in terms of cot A? Sec A is equal to root of cot square A plus 1 by cot A. Then the third one is tan A. You know that. What is the relation between tan and cot? Cot is the reciprocal of tan A. So tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. That's the end of the first question. The second question also follows the same pattern. Let's read the second question. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. The first question you were finding it in the terms of cot A, but in the second question you are finding it in the terms of sec A. Now, the first one we will find sin A, then cos A, tan A, cosec A and cot A. Now you have to find sin A in terms of sec A. You know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. You know that cos is the reciprocal of sec, or sec is the reciprocal of cos. Now, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. That is transposing. You can see that cos square A, I wrote it in terms of sec square A. That is 1 minus 1 by sec square A. Sin square A is equal to sec square A minus 1 by sec square A. Taking the square root, because you have sin square A on the left side and sec square A minus 1 by sec square A on the right side. So taking the square root on both the sides, you will have sin A is equal to root of sec square A minus 1 by sec A. Now, cos and sec. You know, cos is 1 by sec A. Now, tan A and sec A. You can see that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A when 0 degree less than or equal to A less than 90 degree. Now, the same thing we wrote here also. Tan A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Now, which are the two ratios remaining? You can see it is cosec A and cot A. As you have found sin A and cos A, tan A you can find cosec A and cot A very easily. Why? Cosec A is 1 by sin A and cot A is 1 by tan A. So we took the reciprocal of this one as cosec A and the reciprocal of tan A as cot A.